Wall-E, an adventure of hope, love, and environmental stewardship. In a future where Earth is covered in waste and uninhabitable, a small waste-collecting robot named Wall-E diligently carried out his duty of cleaning up the planet. Despite his lonely existence, Wall-E had developed a curious and endearing personality. Everything changed when Wall-E encountered Eve, a sleek and advanced robot sent to Earth on a mission. Intrigued by Eve and her purpose, Wall-E embarked on a thrilling adventure, following her into space and discovering a new world filled with humans living aboard a massive spaceship called the Axiom. On the Axiom, Wall-E and Eve discovered that the humans had become complacent, relying on technology to meet their every need. With determination and love, Wall-E and Eve inspired the humans to reconnect with Earth, embrace sustainability, and work together to restore their home planet. In a climactic finale, Wall-E and his newfound friends faced challenges, including the stubborn autopilot system, to bring about a positive change. They showed that even the smallest actions could make a significant impact on the environment and humanity's future. This thought-provoking tale of Wall-E teaches us the importance of environmental stewardship, the power of love and determination, and the need to break free from excessive reliance on technology. It reminds us that every individual has the capacity to make a difference and protect our planet.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it educational and fun. If so, please hit the like button below to show your support. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos by clicking on the screen now. Thanks, and we look forward to bringing you more stories soon. Have a great day.